Hello and welcome back to the channel, guys. This is LiquidOcelot. Guys, today I'm going to talk about Quora versus Reddit. And Quora is a question and answer website, basically 100%. On the other hand, Reddit is a news bulletin style website where all sorts of content is accepted. So let's talk about Quora a bit more, my friends. On Quora you can have the ability to post a question or answer, but you cannot post multiple answers. Number one. Number two, the moderators on Quora are paid moderators. They are not volunteer moderators. Number three, Quora have subreddits called spaces, Quora spaces, but somehow these spaces are not as popular as subreddits are. And number four, very important point, is that Quora has a partnership program where you can earn money from your questions, and also from your spaces as well. You can earn money from your spaces, but Reddit doesn't have this. I asked on Ask Reddit about this question, and people are saying that Reddit is much better because you can post anything. Also, but I feel that on Quora you can submit questions and answers without getting in the worry of getting over moderated or removals. On Reddit, the big subreddits, your posts might be removed. Now let's go to the website performance via SimilarWeb. Global ranking for Quora is 63 and Reddit 19. And in USA it's 43 Quora and Reddit is 12. So total visits is per month visits is monthly visits on Quora is 783 million, while on Reddit it's 1.72 million. And the visit duration is almost 3 minutes on Quora, and on Reddit it's 9.24. So obviously Reddit is getting more traffic, more view duration, my friends. And in USA, Reddit is a much powerful commodity than Quora as well. And organic search terms, Reddit soccer, you see Reddit is dominating in organic search terms as well. And top referring websites, brave.com, very strange, my friends. Linktree. And so guys, let me know in the comment section below what you guys think about Quora and about Reddit. I'll be waiting for your comments. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel and press the bell notification for future updates. Thanks for watching.